Thermal imaging monocular camera HikMicro. Thermal imaging monocular detector LE15 thermal image camera handheld thermal imager thermal induction structure. 20% off. This is the actual price and this is the discount price. This is the device, thermal imaging handheld camera, another picture, and you can connect your phone with Wi-Fi and you can use this thermal imaging monocular detector. Okay, this is the outdoor observation. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders this device, please check description. Thank you so much. Animal observation, character rescue, laser indication, infrared thermal imaging.